How to receive crypto on crypto.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can receive crypto on crypto.com. Now first of all, you need to make sure to copy the wallet address of crypto.com. So all you have to do is just log in into your crypto.com, and then you need to go to receive, and you need to select the asset that you're receiving, copy the wallet address or the QR code. Then for example, let's say that if you're sending crypto from Binance to crypto.com, then you'll have to open up your Binance application, and this is how it's going to look like, and tap the trade icon located right at the bottom. Let's say that you're transferring from Coinbase to crypto.com. So for that, go ahead and launch to your Coinbase. Once you're taken to the home page, this is how it's going to look like. Now go ahead and tap the transfer button located in the top, and go ahead and tap on send crypto. Now right on this page, you'll have to select the same asset that you've done. Also, before you do this procedure, make sure that your account is verified. In my case, I don't have it verified, so the steps are unavailable. And as soon as you're done selecting the asset, next page is going to ask you to paste in the wallet address. So you have to paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied and enter in the exact amount, confirm all of your transaction, and then you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully transferred crypto from Coinbase. So that is how you can receive crypto on crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.